Today, we talk about a famous food. It is very popular in the United States. It is the hamburger.
History told slow is really fun. English and the past all in one.
Hello and welcome to Slow History. If you love learning English through stories, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Now here's something funny. The word hamburger sounds like it has ham, right? But it does not mean it's made from ham. The word comes from Hamburg, the German city, not the meat ham. So a hamburger is made from beef, not pork. Repeat after me. A hamburger is not made of ham. Say it out loud. It's a fun English fact. Where did this simple sandwich come from? The answer is a long journey. It starts far away from the USA. Our story begins a long time ago, in the 13th century. Mongol soldiers ate meat in a special way. They rode horses for many hours every day. They put raw meat under the horse's saddle. This helped in two ways. First, the meat became soft. We call this tenderized. Tenderized means made softer. Second, the meat helped the horse. It was a soft cushion. This protected the horse's back. It stopped painful sores. When they stopped, the soldiers ate this meat after the meat was minced. Minced means cut into very small pieces. Try saying these words, tenderized and minced. Can you repeat them aloud? Pause and say them slowly. This idea traveled west. In the 17th century, it arrived in Hamburg, Germany. Chefs in Hamburg took the minced meat, added spices, and cooked it. They formed it back into one solid piece. This cooked meat was called the Hamburg steak. In the 1800s, many people moved to the United States. They were immigrants. Many came from Germany, from the city of Hamburg. They brought their recipes, like the Hamburg steak. In New York, German restaurants sold the Hamburg steak. It was a dish on a plate. People ate it with a knife and fork. But Americans were busy. They worked in new factories. They needed food they could eat quickly while walking to work. We call this on the go. On the go means while you are moving. This need changed the Hamburg steak forever. What food do you eat when you are on the go? Think about it and share your answer in the comments. If you like learning with stories, tap like. It helps others find slow history. Who first put the Hamburg steak between bread? We don't know the exact answer. The true inventor is unknown. Historians cannot find the person. But the change happened around the year 1900. One story says a food vendor at a state fair had no more sausage. A vendor is a person who sells food. A state fair is a big event in America with food, games, and rides. Had no more means ran out of. He used a beef patty instead and served it on bread. Another story says a man named Louis Lasson in Connecticut made a sandwich for a customer who was in a hurry. In a hurry means moving very quickly. The minced beef patty was placed between two pieces of bread. This was the hamburger sandwich. It was quick. It was cheap. It was easy to carry. This was the start of American fast food. Let's recap. The hamburger started as minced meat in Asia. It became the Hamburg steak in Germany. Now, in America, it was a sandwich. What do you think? Who do you believe made the first hamburger? Tell us in the comments below. In the 1910s, the hamburger had a bad reputation. Reputation means what people think about something, good or bad. Why bad? Because street vendors sold hamburgers that were not clean or fresh. People thought the meat was not safe to eat. In 1921, a company called White Castle fixed this problem. White Castle wanted hamburgers to be clean and safe. They did 3 things. First, their buildings were white, like a hospital, and hospitals are always supposed to be clean. The kitchens were open so people could see the food being made. Second, they made a soft bun. A bun is the bread for a hamburger. Third, they created the first hamburger chain. A chain is a group of the same restaurants. White Castle sold millions of hamburgers. They showed that hamburgers were safe. Pause the video and say, reputation. Can you use it in a sentence? Write your example in the comments. After White Castle, a company called McDonald's made hamburgers even faster. They made every burger the same, every time. This helped them sell millions of hamburgers around the world. The hamburger became a symbol of the USA. So, today, when you see a hamburger, remember its long history. Let's recap. The hamburger started as minced meat in Asia. It was cooked as a Hamburg steak in Germany. Immigrants brought it to America. It became a sandwich for people in a hurry. White Castle made it clean and safe, and McDonald's made it fast and famous. Your turn. What is your favorite topping on a hamburger? A topping is something like lettuce, tomato, or cheese. Tell us in the comments. Thank you for watching Slow History on Easy English Channel. See you next time.
History told slow is really fun. English and the past all in one.
Let us know what you think of our jingle. A jingle is a song, usually from a commercial about a specific product.